bonus page builder. Graham's done it again. You can build bonus pages in less than 60 seconds. So basically, if you have bonuses, you sell more. Graham says he's tried this method and it gets him 320% more. So what you do is you'll add your link in, paste your affiliate link in, add a YouTube video, customize it. If you want to add bonuses, there's already some in there. Generate, and in 60 seconds, it's ready. Now, what if you could see sales like this? I'm not going to say any more. Go and watch Graham's demo, which is right now, and click the link below.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up, create a bonus page literally in less than 60 seconds. So once you've got access to Bonus Page Builder, what you want to do is add your affiliate link. So whether that be a Warrior Plus link, ClickBank, JVZoo, any affiliate link, place your affiliate link just in here. Now add a YouTube video. So if you've done a video promoting this product, then I highly recommend that you add your YouTube link here. Now, I don't know if you've noticed in the bottom right here, we have a live preview so you can actually see how your bonus page is going to look. And you can see it's on desktop at the moment. You can change it to mobile view as well. Then you can add a title, so your amazing bonus package or whatever you want to put. And as you can see, everything is being edited in live real time just at the side. Change the bonus description, change the color of the background. So if we wanted to go for a sky blue, you can see how it changes here. The button color, if we wanted to go for a dark blue, it changes the button color there. Now what you can do is you can add social proof. So social proof is basically the little pop-up that you normally see in the bottom left-hand corner. So it'll tell you here that social proof pop-ups are enabled. And you can add as many names as you want here. Change the description. So I've just got here, just accessed the bonuses. And you can put the minutes ago. So it'll pop up saying, John just accessed the bonuses, and it'll go from 0 to up to 60 minutes. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Now what you can do is you can add an exit pop-up, and this exit pop-up really important, especially when you start adding bonuses, and I'll show you why once we see the live version. Then you can add a countdown timer just for a bit of scarcity, if you like. Or if there's a specific time that the bonuses that you want to deliver expire. So you can change all of this. So let's just say we want to do 1 day, so it literally finishes within 24 hours. The countdown timer text, and now you can start adding your bonuses. So you can add your own bonus. So you'd simply put in a title for the bonus, the amount that the bonus is worth. Again, this part is very important. The image URL, the description, and the access link of this product. Now, if you don't have your own bonuses, not a problem. I've got some done for you bonuses that you can simply just add in. Now, if you do want to add your own bonuses and you don't want to have to keep on adding them every single time, fill this in and click on the save button. What it'll do is it'll save this bonus inside of the software so you can use it for other launches. So what we're going to do here, I'm just going to delete that one, and then I'm going to click add bonus from the library. And I've currently got 10 bonuses in here that are all done for you. And all you would simply do is click on add to page. You will get a little pop-up, just click OK, and just keep doing that with all of these, or as many as you want. You can add up to 10. So let's just say we want to do these first 4 for now, just so I can show you. So that's done. And you'll see that they've all been added at the bottom here. Once you're happy, simply come down here and click on generate bonus. Now, before I click on that, I just want to show you on the live preview that the bonuses have now been added so you can see it all in real time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate bonus page. And there you go. Literally within seconds, you've got your short URL that you can now go out there and start promoting, whether that be on YouTube, Facebook, whatever the case may be. Now, what we can do here is we can click on preview page. And that'll bring up your bonus page. So in the bottom right corner, you can see you've got the social proof pop-up. Thomas just accessed the bonuses. You've got the video. So this would literally be you promoting whatever product that you're promoting. And then you've got the buttons to get the bonuses. So it'll give you the description of the bonus, access the bonus, etc. Okay, and you can see the values. Now, if I just try and leave the screen, don't miss out. If you leave now, you're going to miss out on these exclusive bonuses worth $188. So we picked out 4 bonuses equaling $188 worth of bonuses. Okay. So that's why it's very important to get the value correct. So when somebody does try and leave, it will add all those bonuses together. So it looks like the bonuses are worth far more, if that makes sense. And it'll just get more conversions for you. And if I wanted to click on claim more bonuses now, it'll take me through to the affiliate link for that particular product. So that particular product, this AI money printer. And that was the product that I was promoting. Now, things get even more interesting now because you want to actually deliver these bonuses to the customers who actually buy that particular product, correct? So what I've created here is a generate a bonus delivery page. So all you would simply do is click on generate page and you can give it a title, same being, so this is the preview, okay? So this is the PDF preview. Now you can keep it as is, or you can change the title and the description. You would simply come down to the bottom and you would click on generate PDF. And what that'll do is that'll simply just download. Happy days. You can now give that to your customer, whether that be inside of, let's say, Warrior Plus. You can add inside Warrior Plus the URL of that PDF, just so your customers can get access to everything that you've offered for purchasing the affiliate product that you was promoting. So I hope that makes sense. Now, not only that, I just want to show you one more thing, and that is tracking. Very important, because what we've just done here is we've created a bonus page. We've had a look at that bonus page. We clicked on one of the buttons. And if we go down here to where it says go to tracking dashboard, this code here is for your bonus page. And it's the same code at the end here. So if we click on go to tracking dashboard, it'll automatically put this code in for you. Click on track and it'll tell you that you created this on such and such date at such and such time. You've had 1 page view because we only viewed that page once. We clicked on one of the buttons once. So we know we've had 1 page view and 1 affiliate click. It'll tell you the conversion rate and the time it was last updated. Okay. And you can just copy this code for future reference, come back here and just track so you know how many page views and how many clicks you've got. Hope that makes sense. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo video. And if you do have any questions, just get back to the person who sent you this video. Speak soon. Bye-bye.